Dad, what was your wedding like?
Your mom really loved it, but I gotta be honest, weddings aren't really for men.
What do you mean?
I mean, women, they invent weddings for other women. Flower girls tossing little petals around. All the bridesmaids look like big swollen daffodils and these little taffeta guys.
Well, then why get married?
Well, because one day you meet a real wonderful girl who'll badger you into thinking it's a great idea.
What am I missing? What am I missing? What am I missing?
Jæja, ætlar ekki að segja ykkur á ferðinni?
Nei, sko, það væri nú gaman að heyra kannski hvað svona aðeins frá ferðinni.
Æ, ekki stuð til þess.
Heldur þú nennið því á morgun?
Okay, everybody, stand up. I'm great. I'm great. I am wonderful. Everybody likes me. I am great. I'm great. I am wonderful. Everybody likes me. Shut up.